Hi, good morning. I'm here to take you through some key features on the Timemaster time and attendance system. My name is Glenn. There's my contact email on the screen that you can see. What is Timemaster? Well, Timemaster is nothing more than a time and attendance program that sits in the cloud. We plug seamlessly into a lot of payrolls. The one that we are totally integrated into is Paymaster, Timemaster and Paymaster. We plug into the API, which allows us to pull through all the employees in all their departments. And then on top of that, we build the shifts. We also provide an app for you to use. It's downloadable from Google Play and also from iPhone. This allows you to put GPS in there, which is a longitude, latitude string. More importantly, it allows you to see exactly where your staff are and where they are working. If you don't want to use the app, there are other options. For example, if you want to use wall scanners, we are compliant with ZK TICO. We are also compliant with Hikvision and a few others. Just ask me and I will show you. These can be wall mounted, they can be turnstile or door mounted, they can go inside or outside. And most importantly, in the middle there, we have a UPS. It's just a little battery, which allows you to stay online to continue clocking regardless of the current load shedding situation in South Africa. If you cannot use these devices, we have a Failbox option, which is a website. It's employee self-service. It looks much the same as the app, and they can log on there, they can log a task, they can apply for leave, and they can clock. So we do have failback options on everything. One of the key features in here is that they can log their task against a customer, and they can put basically some comments in there so you can see exactly what they are doing at any particular time. There is a backdoor built into the system so you can jump seamlessly from the admin and go into the employee self-service area. There's no need to log out, re-put your credentials back in and jump in again. Geolocation, quite important based on your logon string that you get on the app, will show you where you are and where you should be working that particular day. You can ring fence or geo fence it. This is pretty much built on a radius. You say to me how large your radius should be. So if you want to be quite nice to yourself, you could say 250 meters from the center point, and therefore they can clock from that parking lot, maybe even the road outside, but this is totally down to your discretion. When you put geolocation, you'll see that on the admin side, when you click on it, you will see a big red balloon and the radius around that, so you can actually see where they are in real-time data. So it comes through automatically onto the system. The application does quite a few things, and it's down to you to tell us what you actually want it to do. But basically, you can apply for leave in there. You can do the basic clock in and clock out functions. You can do, as I have mentioned, the workflow tracking, whereby you're seeing a customer, put the customer's name in there. You could be doing deliveries, etc., or working on a project. You could break your project up and put it in there. You can also pick up your pay slips in there, but this has to come with two-factor authentication to remain POPI compliant. The workflow tracking there's some examples there. Delivery, once you hand out deliveries and things like that, or training, you could be going on training or whatever. You can put whatever you like in here. It's down to your individual customer and how you want to use it. The admin dashboard is quite intuitive. You take you through it and we can show you everything we have in there and how the two work together. We set up shifts once we've set up the departments, and you can tell us how you want to put your shifts in there. You can have multiple shifts per department, or you can have singular. It's totally up to you. If you'd like to use rostering, this would enable you to use your shifts in the future. So you know that for the next month coming, you're not locked down to a certain shift, but their shifts could be changed from nighttime to daytime, and you just need to inform them and schedule them well in advance. We have bordering in there where they can't come at certain times. If they're within a certain hour, you allow them onto the shift, but they're outside of a certain hour, you don't allow them on a shift. And we take you through how you want to use the system and we better understand it, and we can design it to your needs. The admin dashboard is built on the cloud. It's behind a firewall. It is SSL encrypted and secured. It means that it's unhackable. Everything's 128 bits, so it gets broken down from your desktop. All the information you share gets smashed into 128 pieces, gets reassembled on an algorithm on the other end, and you're able to basically communicate with the dashboard. To keep data integrity, all your data is backed up in real time and it's replicated for DR between two data centers. So if the one data center goes down, you'll have high availability and you'll be seamlessly pushed to the second data center. We have a comprehensive reporting section where you can go onto the dashboard and pull the reports that you like. When we set you up, we take you through what you need. You tell us whether we have the right reports for you or if we have to custom design the reports. A lot of clients do not like to log on. They would like to see a latecomers report being delivered by email to them first thing in the morning, and we can set that up for you. We have a sequential process to putting new customers live, and we can take you through all of that. This is just a basic overview in that picture there. Yeah, once again, reports for export or email automation or manual extraction and comparison. There's a whole host of reports we can take you through, and we can marry up to the ones that work best for your company. Thanks for listening. As before, my name is Glenn. I represent Timemaster. My email address is glenn1n@timemaster.co.za. Thanks very much. Bye.